Getting the local security authority protection is off error on Windows 11. Here are 4 ways you can fix it. Before we move forward, do us a favor by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. It's free and helps us a lot. You can also support us through Buy Me a Coffee. We do tons of research trying to find the working solutions for you. Your little support will help us continue making solution videos for you and others. Now, let's get started. Method 1. The first thing you need to do is tweak the registry. Press the Windows + R keys to open Run. Type regedit and press Enter to open the registry editor. Navigate to computer /hk_local_machine /current control set /control/LSA. Now double-click on the Run as PPL REG dword, change the value to 2 and click on OK. Now right-click on the empty space. Select New and click on dword 32-bit value. Name the new dword Run as PPL boot and in the exact casing as we have done. Double-click on it and enter 2 as value. Click on OK to save the changes. Restart your PC. After the restart, check if the issue persists. If it does, then change the values of both the earlier mentioned dwords to 1 from 2. Now restart again. Method 2. The next thing you can do is reset Windows security. Type installed apps in the search bar and select the top result. Search for Windows security among the listed apps. Click on the 3 dots and select advanced options. Now scroll down and click on repair. Wait for it to finish. If this doesn't solve the problem, then click on reset and wait for it to finish. Restart your PC. Method 3. If you're getting this issue after a recent Windows update, then uninstall the last Windows update and see if that solves the issue. Press the Windows + I keys to open Windows settings. Click on Windows Update and select Update History. Scroll down and click on Uninstall Updates. Uninstall the last update and see if that solves the issue. Method 4. Another thing you can do is restore the last system point. Type System Restore in the search bar and select the top result. Click on System Restore. Select Next and click on the last created restore point just prior to the issue. Click on Next and follow the on-screen instructions. Wait for the system restore to finish. So that's it. Subscribe to our channel and get quick solutions to all your tech issues. Join our Facebook group where you will get direct help on everything tech. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Support our dedicated team of troubleshooters and editors directly through Buy Me a Coffee. Thanks for watching and always remember that we are here to help you out.